difficult to pronounce, but not like your long names. Njoroge. I'm a gynecologist. I work in Nairobi, Kenya. I had my exposure to laparoscopy was mainly in assisting, not really as a surgeon. So this has been of immense help to me in practicing. What I like about Cochin is less polluted and less congested than Chennai, where I've been for 1 month. People seem to be much more sober, not in a hurry, listening to even if we don't understand each other. So I feel very much at home, and I've only been here for 3 days.
Good. I mean, I think even the way
you feel better than in Chennai?
Yeah.
Wow.
also something very green like what in Cochin?
It's a mix, yeah.
It's somewhat like that.
Yeah, it's somewhat like that, yeah. And the weather is more agreeable. Also,
So would you want to come again?
to Cochin, not to Chennai?
Oh, very
I don't have to wear earplugs. In Chennai, it's too loud, and I used to have migraines the first 2 weeks I was here. But when someone told me to be walking around with earplugs, I was fine.
Oh.
But here, I've hardly had to. I've not worn them. So I'm at home here. Thank you.
What did you feel about the training, and we wanted your opinion about sono session? That is basically for them.
It made life so much easier.
Because you are recorded, you know. They are recording what you are telling. Maybe we will put it in the website.
Can you tell me to try? No, the summer session was easy to manipulate. I found it easier to handle than the other one. What is it? Harmonic.
What did you feel about the training?
The training should be done more often and a bit longer, but most of it is that it has been quite beneficial because of the hands-on concept. In most other places, you find the teacher dominates and does not let the trainee doctor to even do much. So here, having been in the
Here the teacher is not seen.
Second day, first day we had to push them away, but we've learned a lot because the teachers have been patient, and that gives the student a bit of confidence to even hold and even manipulate and be guided. So what seemed daunting in the beginning, especially for me, by the second day I did 2 cases and I was, I'll now pause. I want to be natural.
Okay.
So by the second day it was easier, and even today, although today we had a difficult case, but the more the better will be, the practice will make one better.
I'm from Apollo Hospital, Ahmedabad, and I think I'm one of the most senior student of this training batch. But I've been knowing Dr. Hafiz for last 5 years. I met him in Akola for a workshop, and I've been trying to do this course for the last 5 years somehow because of my busy schedule and his busy schedule. I couldn't make it. But this time I was determined that I have to do this course. I have been doing laparoscopy for last 15 years, and this training program was really an eye-opener. And as he said that you have to unlearn whatever you have learned. So I request him that you should, for senior students, you should have some meditation camp. We can just get the negative things which we have learned in the past. We just forget and we just
It's not very easy to unlearn.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, but I'm very happy that I attended this course. It was very methodical, and the teachers, in all the 3, Dr. Anil, Dr. Alfie and Dr. Hafiz, they were too good, and it's really good, and I'm still looking forward to do some more advanced laparoscopy course. I'm basically a gynae oncology surgeon, and I do oncology as open techniques. My aim after a year is to do laparoscopic radical hysterectomies and omentectomies. So I found this course very useful, and I wish I was a little younger so that I could apply for a 1-year fellowship program.
What did you feel about doing hysterectomy?
I felt comfortable.
This method and the difference in this method and the others.
As I said that we develop our own techniques. My technique was slightly different, but yes, I did. My main worry with open TLH was the opening up of the wall, and occasionally while doing LLEH, when I used to look back again, I used to see this line arteries spurting. So that I think how I can easily sort of control this.
Do you feel like all your problems are getting over with this training, or you still
No, my
want
problems are getting over.
TLH, regarding TLH?
Yeah, yes, I can.
What about sono session?
Sono session, I found it very good. Less few machines created better dissection. I say, I've been using harmonic, but I found sonicision better.
It's not needed you have to tell everything good yourself.
No, sir. Yeah.
Next person.
Okay.
You have to introduce yourself and
I'm Dr. Manjula. I'm working in SDM Medical College, Harvard, Karnataka State. Before coming here, in fact, we are seeing Happy sir working. We had called him for a workshop 3 years back. And the way he was doing, it was like all of us who are working in the medical college, always dreamt of coming for a course, but then it took almost 3 years. After coming here, many of the problems which we had, especially with the bladder dissection and wall opening, those were two hitches we faced. Otherwise, we used to do TLH, but then that part was, for almost all the cases, we used to struggle. Suppose if we take 20 minutes for rest of the part, and then we'll be spending almost 40 minutes with a wall only. So that way, I felt probably I'll be doing it in a better way when I go back. Otherwise, everything was fantastic, and even Alpi madam and Anil sir made us do well. So that way, confidence level has definitely increased. Only thing is, we need to get more cases and then start doing.
The other thing which I wanted to say is I worked in UK for 10 years, and there also I did a basic course with Adam Megos and very good institutes, but the kind of training and the confidence which you people sort of give us here is much difference. I won't be surprised that in few years you'll get a lot of foreign students to get trained over here. It's really very good, honestly.
Dr. Sujit, I work in SDM Medical College, Harvard, Karnataka.
close better.
As she told, when sir had come 3 years back, we always wanted to come and learn because he made it seem so easy. We were thinking everybody used to struggle doing the TLH, and then after the upper pedicles ward, as she told, we used to waste nearly 35-40 minutes just checking where the vault is, putting that manipulator, and someone who knows to do the manipulation very well had to be there. All this struggle, I feel we can eliminate that struggle, and maybe we will be able to replicate and reduce the time taken to do TLH. And the training program has been very good in the sense I feel I can do it independently.
I'm Dr. Dipti from Maharashtra. Actually, just last month I finished my fellowship, and actually I came here for this HIFICON conference. That time we decided, me and my colleague, we will come here for training. We were very excited in that conference. We saw everybody's doing so nice surgery, so we're more interested and excited. So after finishing my fellowship, I decided first thing I will do, I will go for this course. And it was very good. Even the Anil sir, Alfie ma'am, she was they were patiently teaching, even though last case tired, but they were very cooperative. Telling everything.
Exhausted you.
Yeah, I was feeling bad for them. I'm giving trouble, but they were very patient. They were telling me. So it was a nice thing.
The other thing which we learned was patience and perseverance.
Yeah, they are so much patient. So
and a lot of issue respect as well.
Yeah, it's like teaching a kid to write ABC.
Yeah.
Like when I teach my daughter A, and then she just her concentration just moves away from one A to another B, and
Then you get irritated.
Yesterday I was with Anil, and it was the last case. It was so tiring. I can see he was tired, but he was patiently each and every step, and whatever I can do, he was giving me that. It was truly hands-on. I was satisfied with it was good.
I know we made the life difficult, but they made
I was feeling bad for them actually.
Thank you. I'm Dr. Chris from Trivandrum. I also completed my fellowship in January, and after the HIFICON conference, and also
Two of them have completed a fellowship in laparoscopy.
With Sunrise.
No. With Coimbatore, Dr. Rao.
Basically, didn't have the confidence to do TLH. So after HIFICON and with a little bit of research, there was only one name on everybody's list: go to Hafiz
To whom
Rahman.
we were asking for
Everybody was
hands-on,
like, go to Hafiz Rahman. So I was like, okay, this must be really good, because 100 out of 100, everybody said
go to Hafiz Rahman, and I'm here and I'm very happy with the program. It is truly hands-on, and I would recommend it to anybody who asks me.
Yeah, already we recommended to all my friends to come and just.
No, I can say my confidence has increased from 0 to 80%. I still need to work on the 20%,
But you will 100% do hysterectomy.
I will.
Not give it 80%. No?
Confidence has increased from 0 to 80%.
Means we will just like feared about like we will start or not, or we have to call surgeon. No, at least we will tell him to sit somewhere and we can start.
I am Dr. Nalini, I am coming from Tamil Nadu. Really, actually, I feel this is a true TLH program. So previously, I attended laparoscopy training, 15 days.
Little more loud, no, so that they can pick up the audio.
But really, that is not a training program. I feel it's not a really it's not a training program. But I feel this is a true TLH program. If anybody asks, I definitely recommend it. So you missed, but don't miss afterwards. So first you come and attend this program.
It should be every month actually, so we can come.
Really,
It is there every month, almost every month it is
So
there.
not saying is there, but TLH, I don't think there are any uteruses available.
It's really good. So I thank the opportunity given to me for attending this conference. I'm really thankful to Dr. Hafiz sir, as well as more than that, I'm thankful to Dr. Shalini and Dr. because we are irritating so much. Really, I'm thankful to them. So I get more confident afterwards. Definitely, I will do TLH without hesitation.
So finally the patient is going to get there.
Yes, really.
Thank you.
I am Dr. Indupati. I have come from Chennai.
We have time, right?
I was an assistant professor in the Institute of Obstetrics and Gynecology for 4 years, but now I have got resigned. I am running a multi-specialty hospital. It's a small 30-bedded hospital.
No, can't try.
Before coming here, what I thought was laparoscopy is some we can do it by LAVH. That is also called laparoscopic hysterectomy. But first day when we came here, Dr. Hafiz told, when you see TLH is much more easier than LAVH. We realized at the end of the day itself, TLH is much more easier, and that too, the sunrise method of hysterectomy is even more simpler. And we had difficulties in opening up the vault, and we will go before coming to this program. We will be doing the upper pedicles, and we can go till the uterine. But beyond the uterine, we will be very much feared to do it laparoscopically. We thought better we can dissect the bladder and do the last clump from below. But coming here to this program, we have got confidence that we can do it here, and that was and I was telling Dr. Nalini also, we can arrange some weekend camps also, and we can start doing TLH.
So we are planning to come in together. So we start Sunday.